Actor Shilpa Shetty was also grilled in a pornography racket allegedly run by her husband Raj Kundra, who is also under arrest already. But Shilpa Shetty has categorically denied any involvement in the allegations that have come in. Actor also explains that even Raj Kundra, her husband, who is under arrest for now, made erotica films, not pornography, and she is in fact referring to the difference here. She said that she did not earn any profit from the business that was being run by Raj Kundra. So that's the big news coming in. Remember, Shilpa Shetty's husband, when was taken into arrest, she had maintained silence all this while, but then the agencies decided to question her as well, even reaching to her house where some searches were made. But Shilpa Shetty has categorically told the investigators that one, she did not profit from the business that was on, and it was not pornography films business that Raj Kundra was making. However, there were erotica that was part of that films, and she's categorically referred to the difference in that. Remember, pornography also is representing sexual behavior that is recorded on screen, and that could be different from erotica. That could be references to nude scenes, of which even a contract copy, remember, was accessed by India Today. So perhaps the actor is referring to a difference there. And also, pornography on many sites is banned in India. It is not easily accessible. It is not permitted to be doing as a commercial business venture in the country. We will get you the latest on that, but for now, Shilpa Shetty making the first statement to the probe agencies and has denied any involvement either in the business run by Raj Kundra or receiving any profits from it. So what precisely has Shilpa Shetty said? Shilpa Shetty has said, my husband Raj Kundra did not make pornography films. He did, in fact, was into perhaps films that were erotica, but not pornography. And she's referring to a difference here about erotica, nude, and that was not the same as pornography. Shilpa Shetty has added that there is a difference between both erotic and porn films, and perhaps in many ways coming to the defense of her husband. She had till now only put a cryptic post on her social media site, Instagram, stating, we will overcome all challenges and this shall pass too. However, now she's categorically come to the defense of the husband, stating that it was only erotica and not pornography, as is being alleged by the investigators. She's also added that there was no profit that came to Shilpa Shetty from the business that was being run by her husband Raj Kundra in the venture. Remember, Raj Kundra, after has been taken into arrest, his police custody has even been extended till 27th of July. So of course the news is tightening against Kundra. Shilpa Shetty has also added that I'm not even aware of the exact content that was put on the website Hotshots. Hotshots was mainly an application on which, according to investigators, some of these videos, allegedly pornography videos, were uploaded and shared, and because it had a subscriber base in lakhs of people, there were huge profits that were coming to the company of Raj Kundra and his associates. Apart from Kundra, remember, one more person has also been taken into arrest, and there are more questionings taking place. The investigators already reached to Shilpa Shetty's residence. There also searches were made. This is clearly shocking because the investigators are referring to a possible illegal business venture, because while watching pornography is not illegal in the country, in some ways to a level, according to information technology rules, the sharing, commercial ventures, publishing of pornography films is not permitted in the country. Many sites are also banned. So while the allegations against Raj Kundra are exploding, there are several actors, models, even a YouTuber who have come out, and they are making serious charges, adding to what's already been alleged against Raj Kundra. There are names like Shirley Chopra, Poonam Pandey, all are making revelations. They are claiming, these are only claims against Raj Kundra by them, that there is a direct link between the businessman and the adult entertainment business. But there is one woman at the center of the storm. Her name is Gehna Vashisht. It's very important because this actor is stating that she did work for some of the films for Kundra's company, and they did shoot films, but it was only erotica and not pornography.
Sleazy photo shoots, actresses lured for a break in Bollywood, and then porn videos uploaded on an app. This is Raj Kundra's dirty picture, and it is completely exposed now. Actresses Poonam Pandey, Sharlene Chopra, Sagarika Suman, YouTuber Puneet Kaur. One after the other, these divas have hit out at Shilpa Shetty's husband, and the list is only growing. Believe it or not, both Poonam Pandey and Sharlene Chopra were booked in the same pornography case for which Kundra is behind bars. Sources tell India Today that statements of Poonam and Sharlene have been recorded, and they have made stunning claims against the businessman. Sharlene allegedly had a contract with Raj Kundra's firm, Arms Prime Media, to provide pornographic content for some app-based companies outside India. She alleges she was promised 50% profit, which was never given. In February, she is alleged to have given a statement as to how Raj Kundra had pushed her into full-fledged porn. Poonam Pandey narrates a similar story as Sharlene. She even moved Bombay High Court in 2019, filing a case against Kundra, alleging they used content featuring her even when the contract had been terminated, and even accused Kundra of leaking her phone number.
अगर राज कुंद्रा मेरे साथ ऐसा कर सकता है, मैं तो भी एक नॉन पर्सनालिटी हूँ, तो औरों के साथ क्या हो रहा होगा? मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, दरख्वास्त करूँगी उन सारी लड़कियों से कि आप प्लीज़ बाहर आएं, और अगर आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ भी हुआ है तो आप आवाज़ उठाएं।
A YouTuber called Puneet Kaur has also called out Raj Kundra. In her Instagram story, she says that Kundra had messaged her about his erotic app, Hot Shots. She ignored it, thinking it was spam.
You know where we're going. We're going to Hot's world, folks. Hot.
I don't think you said it right.
Hot's world.
Hot is hot shots.
No.
Do you know English?
Model Sagarika Shona Suman claims she was asked to give a nude audition for a video by Kundra's company.
मुझे वेब सीरीज़ के लिए ऑफर आया था, बट जब उन्होंने डिमांड किया कि आपको ऑडिशन देना होगा, तो मैंने कहा कि अभी कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, तो ऑडिशन कैसे, मैं वीडियो बना के भेज देती हूँ आपको। तो उन लोगों ने मना कर दिया था। जब उनका कॉल आया था तो वो लोग उन्होंने जो उनका पहला वर्ड था, उन्होंने कहा आपको न्यूड ऑडिशन देना होगा। तो मैं समझ चुकी थी कि वो लोग किस चीज़ के लिए डिमांड कर रहे हैं।
Serious allegations against Shilpa Shetty's husband, accusing him of sleaze. But there are some who have supported the tainted business tycoon.
मुझे राज ने कभी फोर्स नहीं किया। मुझे वही पेमेंट दी गई जो मैं डिजर्व करती थी, जिसके लायक थी मैं, और मुझे उससे कोई इशू नहीं थे। ठीक है, मुझे कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं था। मुझे कभी सेट पे कोई परेशानी नहीं की गई। मैंने बहुत अच्छे से काम किया है और बहुत अच्छे से फिल्म रिलीज किया।
Controversy queen Rakhi Sawant too backed Shilpa's husband.
राज कुंद्रा जी एक अच्छे बिजनेसमैन और एक समाज सेविका हैं, और वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं, इज अ लेजेंड।
So is Raj Kundra the director of this dirty picture? Kundra has denied any role, but the proof is mounting as more women are speaking out against Shilpa Shetty's husband. Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's go across now to Mumbai, because outside the crime branch is my colleague Saurabh Vakhtania. Saurabh, what is the update here? Because of course all eyes will be now on actor Shilpa Shetty. This is a high profile case. Shilpa Shetty is a popular actor. What are the sources within the crime branch telling you?
Well, Pooja, at the moment they will be verifying the statement of Shilpa Shetty. She in her statement has clearly said that she has nothing to do with the Hotshot app. She does not even know what the content is. Yes, she knew something about what these movies have been made, but this is what the statement she has given on record to the crime branch official. So what is on record is that she does not have any involvement and she has not got any profit out of this platform, that is the OTT platform and the apps which Raj Kundra was running. But while they were having chat with the crime branch officials, Shilpa Shetty, apart from her statement, she clearly defended her husband Raj Kundra, saying that he did not made erotic movies. He did not make porn movies. It was the erotic movies. Now what Shilpa Shetty has to say is that there's a lot of difference between an erotic movie and porn movies. So her husband was clearly making erotic movies. She in fact went on to say there are various web series on OTT platforms which are making very vulgar content. Why they are not being targeted? Now what the Mumbai police told about this particular statement is that on the IPC sections of 292 and 293, the case stands strong, and when it comes to prove in the court, they'll prove this case very well. Also, the further investigation has proved, Pooja, that lot of profit was earned by Raj Kundra through this particular pornography racket.
So Saurabh, it's interesting that they are trying to gather as much evidence as possible. Please try and track all the latest on that. So Shilpa Shetty defending her husband, as Saurabh is telling us, and that also stating that it was only erotica, not pornography. But according to investigators, there was an application that is now in the eye of the storm, an application by the name of Hot Shots. It was on this app, according to agencies, that Raj Kundra allegedly hosted explicit content and pornography films. The application was developed by Arms Prime Media that was created in 2019. Kundra was the director of this company. He later transferred the application and the company to one of the family members. What is this application? Why is it in news now? Take a look at this.
Raj Kundra, a celebrity businessman, now arrested for allegedly running a porn racket. He is being accused of making and selling pornographic material using digital apps. The investigation dates back to 2020. Kundra was booked for producing and creating porn content by the Maharashtra Cyber Police last year. The state police had booked multiple OTT platforms, which included Kundra's application Hot Shots. Hot Shots was developed by Arms Prime Media and was later sold to UK-based Kenrin Films. Cyber Police had arrested a photographer and a woman working as creative director for Arms Prime. Kundra was given interim bail in the case then. Hot Shots application has now been removed from Google and Apple App Store. The application's digital traces reveal that it offered HD videos and short movies with what it claimed to have unmatched exposure. The app also promised private content from hot photo shoots, short movies, and experience of the lifestyle of celebrities from all over the world. Some social media posts reveal contests were held that enabled users to vote for their favorite models. Mumbai police claims the actors were forced to shoot nude and semi-nude films.